Pull over the car.
Nigga, what?
Oh, that nigga.
Stop hitting us, boy. We telling you.
You alright, it's over with now.
Oh my God! Why did you?
No way. Bro, what? No fucking way.
Put your hands up, sir.
Yo, bro, there's no way you grab me from that far. You was nowhere near my car, bro.
Bro, I was right next to you in my eyes, bro. I can't even pick you up.
No fucking way.
I can't even pick you up. I swear to God. Oh, bro, what the? Bro, what the fuck? How did?
What the fuck's wrong with y'all bitch ass kids, nigga?
Bum ass nigga.
Yo, you suck. You suck, bro. You suck. Oh my God, you suck. You had a chance, bro. You really had the chance. How'd you even get
I
up?
dropped 2. I don't give a fuck. I dropped 2. I don't give a fuck. Fuck y'all.
Bro, you ain't dropped me. You had 10 shots.
Y'all didn't. Y'all, I wasn't the nigga. I wasn't the nigga that was in cuffs that killed y'all. Y'all forgot the V, stupid ass niggas.
Okay.
There was a nigga still in the car.
I give you that one. I give you that one. Niggas was stupid on that one. All right, I give you that one, motherfucker.
This nigga was in the
But other than that,
still?
fuck y'all.
Hey, LT.
What's the word?
I told you I was sliding.
I knew you was. I knew you. And what I tell you, I was gonna see you soon, right? Good luck, nigga.
Yeah, same energy, nigga.
All right. Yo, pick the body up. Let's get him to the hospital.
They're in the Statue of Liberty.
The only way to get there is by swimming.
I guess so, but look, that's where they at.
Oh
right,
shit! I just died.
Yo, we're heading to the Statue of Liberty.
I just died trying to help him, bro.
This brings back memories, Chief.
I know. Come on. Yo, please stay next to each other and shit while we over here, cause I might lose you. I can't see you on the map and shit.
Yo, and don't go ever under. I don't want to. Oh shit!
Please go
like
right,
20
go right,
people.
go right, go right, go right, go right, go right. I think they see us.
Oh, he's aiming a gun. He's aiming a gun.
Come on,
Yo,
come on,
guys,
Officer
I need y'all on my 20. I need y'all on my 20. Find where I'm at. Statue.
Oh,
They're shooting.
damn.
They're shooting. They're shooting.
Oh, I just revived.
We're really outnumbered here, Chief. I don't know what your call is.
Why don't get too close? You're getting too close. You're getting too close. We need to go in the water and get around them.
I'm good. They can't get me. I'm gonna play Ring Around the Rosie for as long as I can. They know.
Don't go that way. Get off the water. Get out. Don't go. Oh my God, bro. Why don't you listen, gang? Did you die? Jesus Christ, bro. Sleaze, man. You don't listen, bro.
Oh, shit. I need this shit keybind, bruh. I don't even know how to do it, bro. That's the thing. Hold on, I got it. Hold on. Oh, this nigga jumped out the way. Damn, bro, I can't fucking piggy him. What up? Shit, bro.
Yo, I need y'all to get to the fucking Statue of Liberty ASAP.
We're all dead.
I can't. They're all dead.
Fuck.
I'm trying to save them right now. Hold on. I got you. Come on. Get. Oh, I'm dead.
Fuck. Bet. That's what I was trying to do. It wouldn't let me do it under the water. Oh, good shit. Good shit.
They behind us. They teleported over here.
No.
Hey, just go get them. Go get them. Go get them.
Bro, the cops over
I
here.
say I got time.
They right there behind mine. Looking at bitches. You F10 right here in the middle of this aisle.
Is the other officer still down there? You still over there, Chief?
Yeah, I just went down.
How the fuck you end up way over here?
He got away on a bike. I got him back of it, but then he flipped the bike and I got hurt, man.
Hold on, sir. Patch you up.
A goddamn
You only
arms.
hitting the shoulder, man.
A goddamn arms
You only
broken.
hitting the shoulder, man. You gonna be alright. You gonna be alright, bro. I'm gonna patch you up real quick. Look, take too.
Fuck.
Come on. You know, what's the description, bro? Bike? A dirt bike?
Yeah, dirt bike, fatigue blue, baby blue. Hold on real quick.
Hey, let's go. We on it.
Fuck, that's fucking limp.
Come on. Fight through it.
Things we do for this job, man.
Man, I'm telling you. Shots fired. Come
Whoa.
on. It's about to get real. It's about to get real.
Oh fuck, I got no fucking heavy on. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. I'm detaining you. You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, will be appointed to you. Understand those rights? Thank you. Dubs, you alright? Dubs is going down. He's down. I got him.
One more.
Oh. Down.
He's down as well.
He's down.
He up chop. Yeah.
You sons of bitches. Check their meds.
Shit.
Nah, they gone.
Fuck.
Oh, this is CK. Weren't we looking for this guy?
Boy, CK, you lucky, boy. You about to go straight to jail, son.
Yo, someone get me to a goddamn doctor. My fucking leg.
You okay? Hold on, I'll carry you. Hold on, I'll carry you.